Here's a STEAM project that will test your bubble making skills and your nose. It does require a few materials, but we promise it's worth it. You will need a clear egg carton, unscented dish soap, essential oils, food coloring, bottles or jars with lids, scissors, wire or pipe cleaners, wire cutters, and water. First, you must cut the egg carton along the hinge to create 2 separate pieces. Mix the 6 cups of water with 1 cup of dish soap and stir until all is combined. Add the solution to each jar and then follow up with the food coloring and oils. Make different shaped bubble wands with the wire, ensuring they will fit into the jar. Pour the solution into the egg compartment, encourage your child to smell each color, and then start making bubbles.